Hello guys, for today's video, barbecue tayo dyan isda. So, dito na, dito. So, barbecue tayo dyan isda. In Philippines, we call it Mataan in Ilocano. Tapos, and Matambaka in Philippines.
No,
In Tagalog?
in Mindanao.
Mindanao. Okay. So, dito na. Dito.
Yummy.
So, guys, look. So, barbecue tayo, ha? Fish barbecue! Yama? Never fought
Later
again.
on, we're gonna go again.
Never
Go
fought again.
harbor.
Yeah, later on, apan tayo jay harbor, jay Sea Lion Harbor. Kasi, ni daddy ko fishing, so magka-isda sila. Magsil tayo isda, tapos agmani tayo.
We have
Pera.
money. So we have money.
Pera.
So we have money.
So we have money, pera. Now, why would you speak in the video? Yeah. But goodbye, everybody. And that's for all the video today. Thank you guys for watching our videos. See you next time.
Bye.
Barbecue. Bye.